Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. I am still out on the mountain range and Justin is still out scuba diving with his family in Florida. Hope you're having a good time, buddy. So you're stuck with the old guy. All right, in this video here, we shot some RTS body armor. Really tough stuff, that's what we're calling it. And it stopped at .338 Lapua armor piercing round at 50 yards. And we had somebody comment, hey, everybody shoots body armor from the strike face, obviously. What happens if you shoot it from the wear face? And I thought, you know, at first I thought that's a good idea. And then I thought it wasn't a good idea because how can you put it in your plate carrier and notice it's not wrong? So I was thinking, and this could happen, just roll with me on it. So what if it's in the middle of the night and earlier you were shooting and you took all your gear and you threw it next to your bed, threw your pistol on your nightstand, and somebody broke in your house. So first thing you do, you grab your pistol and you look around because you ain't got one of RTS's ballistic pillows. Yes, go to their website, check that out. Their ballistic pillows are awesome. So you grab your plate carrier and you pick it up, but it's late at night, it's dark, you're tired, and you don't realize you're holding it backwards. Now you have no idea what the person who's breaking into your house has. So you're going for it, right? Well, can this body armor backwards still do the same or at least hold up to what we're going to do today and still save your life? So what we're going to do is we have a 9mm, a 40, a .223, and then we're going to shoot it with a 12 gauge slug that travels over 1,600 feet per second. Now, this body armor will stop all this stuff if faced the correct way. Again, check this video out here. You won't be disappointed. This RTS body armor is really good. So this is what we got for you guys today. But first, you remember, $10 t-shirt, free 50 cal laser engraved brass round shot on this channel for you for free, one per customer. And don't forget to tell us on eBay what your size is because they can't get their crap together. So that's what we got for you. Let's check this out up close. Here we go. Okay, first 9mm. Here we go. Woo! All right. Clear. All right, the first hit was a solid. Let's check out the damage on this side. Well, obviously it went in. Tiny little hole. Right there. All right. All right. It held up fine. Little bulge back there, but this will hold up to a 9mm pistol shot. Okay, so next we're going to try the 40, and we're only about 10 feet away, so you know, it's in your house. It's going to be close quarters, so here we go. All right, time for the 40. Okay, is it gonna go through? Comment down below. Here we go. Good hit. Clear. Okay, so here's another good solid hit. A lot more bulging on this backside here. What did she do? Yep. Still zero penetration. Like somebody else said, that's really close to a million jokes. But anyways, moving on. Just a slight bulge there. Not sure if you could see it. That's opening up another 1,000 jokes, but it did not go through. All right, so now we're going to move on to the .223. Comment below, do you think it's going through? I think it's going through, but I've been wrong 40 million times, so here we go. Time for the .223. Now, my sights are off, so this close. Hopefully, I don't hit it where I hit it already. But hey, It's a good test, right? Here we go. Whew. That was a good solid. Clear. Let's check it out. All right, I hate doing all this filming by myself. I couldn't use a high-speed camera because of the distance I have to be and have to try to turn it off at the right time, blah, blah, blah. All right, enough crying. Right there, tiny little hole. All right, let's see if it went through. Oh, I see some damage to the sandbag. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. Looks like she came through. Actually, I don't think it did. I think it just pushed the sandbag and damaged the sandbag. There's a little split here. There's a little split here, but I don't know if that was caused by the ceramic or what. I tell you what, when we're done, we'll cut this open and see if we can find the round. And if it's in here, it's still held up. Okay, the 223 probably went through. I might have been right for once, which would be really good. Well, not the fact that the body armor didn't hold up. But again, we're shooting it from the wear side, and it will hold up. I guarantee you to a 223 that close if you're shooting this RTS body armor on the strike face. So, 12 gauge slug, here we go. Black Ace Tactical slug traveling over 1,600 feet per second. Pause, comment right now. Do you think it's gonna go all the way through? Here we go. Fire in the hole. Boom! Whoa, that was a good solid hit. Let's check it out. Clear. All right, I'm gonna have to Telflator mask this thing and talk through it because I forgot to turn my mic on. So good shot here in the center. That's the 40, so it went 9mm, 40, 223, and 12 gauge in the center. Now, I hit close to the 40, so it might have been compromised around here, but we're not sure. So let's see, did it go through? Whoop. So, yes, looks like it did go through. There is a lot of ceramic sticking out here. I don't know if it went through, but RTS Tactical did it do 0 penetration. We will see. All right, so I cut the front off and I cut the back off. So you can see right there, there's the wad to the 12 gauge. If I could pull this thing out, keep everything in frame here. Okay. I don't see any slug from this side. 223 9mm 40. It might have punched through, but let's turn it over. So I cut the front side off, like I said. And well, I can't push any hole through this ceramic tile, so I'm not sure. But here's where the 223 hit. What do we got here? Well, I don't see any of the round. Oh, wait. Yeah, there's some lead right there. Okay, there's some lead. So maybe it did stop that 223 and it just disintegrated it, but it shattered this tile here. Hard to say, but there is no hole I can, oh, there you go. What about this way? All right, hang on a second. I'm gonna try something else. Okay, had to do a little bit more digging, and here is the 12 gauge slug. Right there. Maybe I should have dug it out a little more. Man, this thing is, there we go. All right, so it did stop the 12 gauge slug from the back. That just blew out all this stuff through the front. This is some Kevlar. So you would have definitely got peppered with some ceramic tile there. But it did stop the slug. Now, probably knocked the armor out of your hand too on, well, each shot. But I'm gonna dig into this one a little bit more, see if I can find this 223, because I did dig into the sandbag and I have found absolutely no lead. All right, hang tight, here we go. All right, did a little bit more digging. Now, if you look through there, you can see a hole all the way through the armor. But when I shook it out, I found a bunch more lead. So I think it shattered that 223 into a billion little pieces, but something might have came through. I honestly cannot tell. So I'm not sure about that, but it did stop some of the round because there's some decent amount of lead right there. Okay, so we shot it from the backside. It stopped at least 3 out of the 4 rounds. I'm thinking maybe it did stop the other round. It just caused damage to the sandbag because it pushed it, it bulged it out. So we know it did stop the slug. But what we're gonna try now that it's all compromised, can it still stop a 223 round hitting it on the front now? Let's try it. All right, last shot of the day, 223 from the front, compromised body armor. Will it hold up? Let's see. Six rounds. Let's see if it did anything. Okay, that really wasn't a fair test, but I shot 6 rounds. You can see a couple holes, definitely blew this one out. Let's see if there's any new holes on the back. Huh, I don't see any new holes. That's from dirt. That's a 9mm, that was 12 gauge, 40, 223. So hey, maybe it held up. We don't know. There's a piece of lead right there. That's the 9mm right there. Didn't go very far. So remember, if you don't want to wake up in the middle of the night and try to grab your plate carrier that hopefully is on the side of your bed, what you can do is go to RTS Tactical. There's a link in the description below, and check out their tactical pillow. I'm not kidding you. I think it's the first one on the market. It is a level 3 or 3A. My apologies, I don't remember, but go check it out. So if you don't want to hopefully have this lying on your bed, grab your pillow. It's a comfortable pillow you can sleep on and use it as freaking body armor. It's amazing. Okay, I'd like to thank RTS Tactical for sending us out these plates. This was probably not how they wanted us to test it, but I think it was a good test nonetheless. And it held up really good. I mean, I don't think, I don't think somebody's gonna break into your house with an AR. I don't know. It may happen. Definitely if they're driving black Suburbans. But shotgun, handguns, definitely. But it stopped them. Stopped those 3 for sure. Still stopped some rounds when it was turned around again. Really good stuff, really tough stuff. That's RTS Tactical. Don't forget to check out our Instagram page. Thank you to our patrons, everybody who just supports this channel. We just love you and thank you guys so much. And we'll be back.